Hello people of the internet, DedZed here, and I'm going to be covering the few things I haven't done yet today. Or yet. We have a few options here of lip sync, eye look, playable layers we're not going to mess around with, low body we don't need. We're going to add some lip sync to this model. Don't ask me how I'm going to do this, because I'm just winging it. With this, we can mess around with a bunch of stuff. So, how I'm going to do this, and because I'm mentally 4, I'm going to open up Blender. Because I'm 4, mentally 4, I'm going to just drag this FBX into Blender, and we get the same model here. With this, we want to focus on something in here called data shape keys. So here, I want to make this look like it talks, which isn't too hard when you think about it. You're just designing it to look weirdly. So I'm going to just create something called mouth open, or I'm just going to call it talk. I'm going to make this boy talk. How am I going to do that? Is when I go into edit mode, we can see on how the model is built, but I want to just adjust the head part. We added a little bit of the neck. Doggos, behave. Just make sure everything is added. And I want to kind of make it look weird. So, how I'm going to make it just look like it's going to talk is just by scaling the head up. With this, every time talk, just every time he talks, it's just gonna grow big. There are lots of options when you can do talks. If we go and auto detect, it's not gonna give us any. We either use bones, which uses jaw bones. We can use jaw flap, visemes, and then parameters. What I'm going to be messing with is obviously this. But I'm just going to be focusing on a jaw flap. Blend shape. As you saw, blend shape, we have silence, P, F, T, H, or the, D, K, Ch, S, N, R, A, E, I, O, U. Since I'm only wanting 1 and all that, which is going to just be a blend shape, that's just going to be this. With this, I'm going to just export this as another FBX. I'm going to find where I saved this folder, what's here, and I'll look for teaching, assets, Ybot. I'm going to overwrite the model. Many models were pre-downloaded have these already built, but here I just have talk. He's just gonna have talk. That's all it is, talk. Every time he talks, boom, just head grows. Simple, funny, haha. Talk. I can't really showcase this, but this is how we can make something talk. Since there's no eyes on this model at all, I'm not going to be focusing on eye look. Colliders are default setup to be perfect. So that pretty much covers everything. When you want to make sure that your model can talk, make sure that inside of Blender, you either see that it's made with or has the PH or those options, or it just has a mouth open or talk animation. If it's 1, use a jaw flip blend shape. If not, use viseme, unless you are using bones. I ain't using bones, so I'm just having this work on a jaw flap of talk. So hopefully that helps people add talk. I'll catch up again very soon. Bye bye.